Yes, so we don't come back. Yes, we don't come back on top of Talk here. Talk show on top of TV from 2 to 3 o'clock. And I tell you now, for Wazobia TV channel 195, this one before happen. We been don't tell you the first one. Yeah, our viewer way talk say the man will be her man friend. Don't come become her family member. She know somehow you won't come become her because the man know they touch again, but they give her money. Waiting makes she do. Then our second story now, Mayweather's son, we don't they get plenty big gift for area, and we ask the question, why be say people know they appreciate person where they do well. Now when you they do bad, you go did there, but when you they do well, they go say, now because of this thing, I make you be this thing. Anyhow, if you want chook mouth, go on top of Twitter, go on top of Facebook, make you chook your mouth inside. And the second story we don't tell you about this one, we say 25-year-old boy, we talk say Emmanuel Onu. Talk say he go into robbery to pursue in football career.
Honor her.
Honor her. No, in own name na Emmanuel Enu. But in friend we introduce him into robbery, we bring goal, na him be honor her.
Okay.
He said this one happened 2014 when after I finished my secondary school, I can't join security work. All these men where they do security for company. Saying they earn 18,500 naira. After winning 18,500. After I can't lose a job for that. Yes,
2000
person, yes. So after I lose a job, now I come in friend the way be the honor I can't introduce him into robbery. Now the guy bring gun, now him bring Okada, where then take they do the badness. He said then start the job, the waka around that kind of wharf area, saying carry the bag for back and gun down. They don't know how they drive the Okada. As they go, they snatch somebody bag, one man bag along the road. As they snatch the bag, now as I reach one corner, now I can't say he one is himself. He hold the bag, and now in there on standby, and in their bag they do the work. Before I go know what's in they happen, police come there to come arrest them. When they check the bag, they can't even see gun. You know, say the matter don't pass one now. Yes, they first see you with Okada, which they arrest people with Okada. Now they can't check inside the bag where you carry. They can't still see gun inside. As they can't carry and go police station, they say, how you take enter this badness? He say, in be one pursue in football career. Why? You foresee you don't get parents and they say, yes, in father a retired naval officer. Hey. See, the shame not be one. Now they see you with gun. And you can't bring shame to the sports federation. Talk say everybody now where they carry knapsack for back. Those bag where they put their sports things. So make police they check them because we don't know who
carry gun and who no carry.
I don't understand. Then you can't disgrace the man where at least he try to make sure say you go secondary school, even if not the man sponsor. Because I know some people where they born children where they knew actually fit take care. But my question for you be say, is there enough for you to say you won't go robbery?
Queen Bee, first of all, you say now wolf then do this badness. So say now I get that for saying that the boy now you robbed me some years back. Because person actually he got some years back where he said 2 people on top of car that actually robbed me, snatch my bag for inside egg. But the same scenario. And I still they find them and I go find you. Me, I go find you.
Yeah.
But away from that story for Emmanuel Enu, well, I don't understand the correlation between say he go thief and say you want to do football career. You want to do football career, why you go join all this area club where then it be say maybe one day I feel they pass say, oh, you know, as Mikel Obina, my homie, and Osaze they toast me for they play. I should just see you say, this body actually they play. Hello. Osaze, I get person no I need to sign them. Or even call Keshi straight up, say, Cash, how fun. I get Cash. I am connected, I may connected somebody.
Yeah, you know? Talk, not be the big cash.
No, it's cash. Football cash, yes. So for me, no correlation there inside them. And another thing, they say, show me your friend, I go tell you who you are. Be. When Honor her come in time, Honor her no hold guns to her say you must do this thing.
Not at
all.
So
now in your own choice, everybody they're responsible for wasting they give her their attention, so they always talk person if you can't tell me, say, I did stand for it because say I no get money, or I they carry gun because say I no get money. You get plenty of people where you say then they was situation and then choose to do the right thing. So anything where you do now your choice. Emmanuel we carry gun follow Honor her. Now in choice. Honor her turn and say, oh boy, if you snatch back, if you see 1 million inside in eyes shine, say okay. Why not? If not, I make 18,000 before. If I see more 1 million for one day, I don't hammer. I don't know whether in be the plan say if he thief rich, he go buy one club. can't put himself inside. I be go
Only
pay
him
or
go play for the club.
I don't understand the whole how as the tiffin and the football take join. It just
It don't
define
make
talk
sense.
because
It
it
don't-
really,
it
really
don't make
it
sense.
don't make sense for
At all,
me.
at all.
And
Because-
yes, make them prosecute them so that other young boys go learn from them. Say no shortcut to success. You actually need to work hard, step by step. One day, it go happen if it's supposed to happen.
What's his name? Enu, I've been Onu. What's the guy name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel Onu.
Enu.
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 Okay. Emmanuel Enu, you dey vex me because my own father too na ex-military officer. I'm not thief, oh.
You sure?
You hustle your way.
But you
But you thief biro for class.
For that will not be thief now.
Bernard, you
that one
thief
na fasting.
something from me.
Reason I thief.
You thief my heart.
Your heart.
Oh, okay.
Betiana.
I don't
You
know.
want
I don't know about this
you
one.
want start this matter.
I don't know about
I mean,
this
are you
one.
thief my own? Anyway, back to the matter. My dear brother, you not try. You not try at all. In any way, we tell look, you not try. You don't bring shame come your family. Whether your father they sponsor you or not, you bring shame come your father uniform one. You bring shame come your father name. And then you don't bring shame come say you won't go play football. So because you won't play football, you can't go thief, can't carry gun. If you say you want to be doctor, you want to be pilot, what you can do? You will kidnap everybody where they in a barracks.
If I do money ratio.
It's no, they don't do things like that at all. And to other young boys where they outside there, particularly young boys, young girls, this one a true talk. I mean, I know say these days with the way the world they go now, young people they make them. We even they talk inside motor today, say you go see young people they go they watch music videos, they watch films. You see young people they put all the bling bling for neck, they wear big clothes. So because of that now, young boys too won't be like those guys. You know say. Everything gets in your own step. People they don't pass through their own various steps before they reach that place. Some of them say those way they wear for body now borrow and some now rent they rent them because of the video where they want to shoot or the film where they want to act. For real life, nobody will find that easy. No, we will say not everybody was born with a silver spoon.
Not
some people na kpako spoon they take, but some people don't even get spoon now they take chop.
They feed them.
They tell you.
You know how they
Some
go
people
children
don't
like
get
that.
hands safe.
You know. So my dear brother, and to other young boys and young girls to wait the outside there. Let's as Betiana talk. For English, they say there's no justification for doing what is wrong.
Bam!
Nothing.
At all.
My father died. My brother no well.
My stepmother drive me for
my
house.
stepmother that winch. School fees too cost. Not be excuse say because of that you stand for junction.
all.
They say hello bros, no compressing window, or you say you carry gun say hey, where your asset? Nothing they justify am. So dear brother, well, you don't play the music, you go dance to the tune. Sorry.
And when I see the picture on top online, the way they hold the gun, if you go see say him himself don't they die before he hold the because I say he hold the gun.
They tell you.
So I know, but you know say gun no get respect.
You don't respect.
Yoruba they call am oloto.
Yeah.
They're very honest. So you have to respect, even if the person be like stick and he hold the gun for hand. You have to respect because you don't know what's in there inside. Whether na chakabula, whether na waiting, it go shall do something to your body. But waiting I go talk, be say, no day enough. If now woman you be, you feel say, okay, no day enough where you dey or your father no fit provide waiting to take care of all of una way don't born. Yes, take the challenge. Tell yourself, say, I no go be like this. I want day different. Even now just to paint nails this day. Just look for one umbrella, put painting of nails, waiting. No how, 2-3 people go come paint nail. And you know how much they paint nail for road? 100 naira, be 200 naira. You know gas you take go bed hungry.
Yes.
You know if you go bed hungry where you go tossing that one make you enter road for night. Then for boys, guy now guy where they hard working I guess they even look for these days. And imagine that guy, he gets work where maybe 18,500. Maybe not because of friends where they carry come there. That's why they send them away. You remember, you know those security men where we say, okay, now just secondaries, just put them for there so that they open gates close. No be say now then they actually
18,500
secure you.
They collect 10,000.
Yes, and they go work from money. Your own now just to sit down, open gates, close them, maybe sweep the compound if possible. They say may you spare. Or they send you message. Sometimes you go say, okay, Gatesman, help me buy this thing and all that.
They go say, keep the change.
If you do well, then somebody comes to say, okay, you lose your, maybe not because of the character, they bring different and the people suspect and they say, okay, go. You must hold that job where you do. In short, love them, as in appreciate them. God must see your heart before if he give you that thing where you they ask for. You must not ready. Prepare yourself. Say, yes, I did. If you want to buy sneakers, I beg, better one. You must not get better place where you won't wear and go. Not just because somebody go say, why you wear and come here? You know, if you buy expensive or carry and go, they walk out for street. When you know get waiting you do, because people where you see see they wear them for TV or whatever. They use and do video shoots, maybe interview or go places where they're supposed to wear and go. So make we really get our priorities right as youth of this country. I talk about my own. I got to fix my own before I talk about the world.
Yes, sir.
I beg. You no get reason to make you go chook your hand for badness. In short, no be even reason, no even think am. No be now you don't enter police hand. What thing you want to do to yourself? You go to explain. But me think say na pity story. I ain't just a give story where people go take. But as you don't they steal now, who won't carry you go another country? You know figure. All right, make we move to our third story. This one they funny, one kind. But I don't know as I was saying. They say man like his unwanted posters on Facebook. This one a person where police they look for. You know, see some police for America and over the world. I don't know about Nigeria. They get Facebook page. So if they look for a person, they go posting pictures, say wanted by EFCC, for example. They say wanted by EFCC for stealing so million or doing this. But this one, he see his own picture. He use boldness, say not seeing the happen. He like the picture.
He click like.
He go there, go like your own picture. To say, you know what? Make I even dare these people. I'm doing. I'm doing. You know, so I saw all those phones. Those shinko. He does like that. He like your own picture. What did they say he do? They say that they look for him for forgery. For Montana, for Obodo, America, for there, they said they don't place $2,500 bond for anybody if he catch him. And also, he gets one warrant so they don't drop for us. I said that they look for him because he steals somebody wallet and the person personal property they inside the wallet. So for that, they don't put so amount, make people look for him. Now he himself say, cause see what
by himself.
Now he go on top of Facebook say, okay, really. Nine, like himself, he like him. So, me if you say the guy they bold, what do you think?
Maybe not because need to say the picture where they put fine.
Yes, but you know, say not be only.
Like
you know, say not be only this guy don't do this badness.
Yeah, we don't.
Again, one time where one woman do selfie with who I think she's still. Again, one again waiting. Now he actually post another picture of himself. After the one where they post another picture of himself.
They get one self where I read one time from on top of internet where two men they enter somebody's truck, they steal the truck. Inside the truck, the truck gets internet Wi-Fi inside the truck. Now for there they begin they browse, they snap picture they put for they put for Instagram. Now so police they catch them.
Wow.
Their memority. Their memority is plenty. I never see where they find you. You thief, they find you because in a year be. Like say Yoruba say a person with the one bond call they take petrol, they rob him body.
Mushayan.
Fish where they one fry call they rob himself salt. Say for quick apple. Brother, that one for you. Where you for come from?
Now where you come from? Montana.
Many people don't like that, we get brain.
You want to code your shot, give yourself mark. You don't create tattoo for face.
Not say they support bad thing or anything, you know, but I don't even know what I want to talk about the matter. Montana people na so na be say that they find you, can't they like yourself. Very, very intelligent though.
You know when God won't punish person for inside the matter now, I could just classify this whole story as. It reminds me of this one they tell say Benin people, no they do. Man, I got rest. That guy on arrest. I feel see two of them. I handle you with my I sign my right hand, I handle you with my left hand. I finish you.
Anyway, back
to the matter. It reminds me of that man where he said then give him confidence. Say you go there invincible, enter bank, go they pack money, just enter, go straight, they begin they pack. And people they see but for in mind, in the invisible. So maybe not the same situation that happened to this one where if you say, I go just like, maybe he forgets the fact, say, for inside, then they're very internet savvy. Say once you do anything on top of the internet, they feel locate you where you actually did. Or maybe you know go school. Obviously. And so you know understand as things they go. But I won't wonder, say, if you don't go school, let me say, you know, can't get, now Deeper Life, you don't get television, you don't get anything.
Even Deeper Life get TV now. They get home theater.
No get. Old school one, they don't get. Maybe now they don't, they open eyes small. But on top of the matter, when now your time, When now your time, Nothing where you want to, you know how where you want hide. If they won't catch you, then go catch you.
They tell you.
Me just feel say, he thinks say he go there invisible, they no go fit trace him. So he won't like him. He go there, go they look wetin they go on. Okay, then thought say then see him for so place. He go just dey laugh. And I dey inside my room.
Kyo.
Meanwhile, in they tell them in own location, they explain his own stupidity to himself. But I tell you, if you dey out there, you think say you chook your hand for badness, because you get one why I see when I say them fraud Emir of Kano.
Yes.
And the girls still use abaya take cover body. I beg. Religion and one thing where they chop deeply into. They supposed to come out that thing just to expose who this person, because I only like this we they see. I still give her respect. And I don't need to give her respect. I beg, remove your hand for badness. Find something do. At all. If rain no beat you today, rain go beat you tomorrow. And I mean the rain, something go enter your pocket one day. One day. Just keep trying. No stop. All right, so my people, we dey rush, we dey run, go for small shaking break. Because when we come back, we go sun shoe, we wear our throw. We are coming back.